Here's a big old bitch, ugly poplar over the house. Leads over the deck and the bush row. He's ugly.
2015, that thing was done in 2017. Tighten, fellas? I pulled it off the bush. That's what I was hoping for. All right, fellas. This one's not that heavy, so. Holy shite. It's only you and me. It's only you and me. Woohoo! Don't break poplar. Crappy poplar. Okay. I'll leave that as a handle. Why not? I'm gonna strap these ones, and then for this small one, I'm just gonna let it kind of just hang off. And then you guys can pull it out with the rope. Let me adjust quick. Also, I hate poplar. It's so crappy. Actually, for that small one, I'll probably just handle this off. Honestly, I could probably just handle this whole leaf. We'll see. Hold on. Ah, there goes my hand, so. Ah! Hey. Shit happens. This is one of those times. Here you go. Here's the case, and then you could just toss it up to me once it's locked into the case, because it can't fall out. I don't mind. Go ahead, just toss it out. Hold it and just like throw it up so it comes up straight at me. Huh? I'm not gonna drop it. I'm not gonna drop it. Come on, this champ. Perfect throw. Throw assist was on point. Tight quarters. Hey, I don't care. Take a little longer, but I'm not gonna break anything. That's my objective here. Sorry, Seth. All right, Mike. Swing me the rope there. And here's the name of the game. I don't know how that's gonna work. Never mind. We got it. Don't worry. Tell you one thing, it's the weirdest poplar I ever climbed. It's like,
I don't even know if it was poplar.
I don't know, stupid placement. If they planted it, not a good placement. If they didn't, well, they didn't. Go ahead, Mike. Can you take it back and at least tighten it up? It's gonna get hung up in this arb. Yeah, Seth's gonna get it. You're just tip holder, per se, so that it don't get smashy on the fencey. Okie dokie. Okie dokie, eh? We ready here? And this is one of those situations where I had one hand. So, we'll go handsaw. We ready, Mike? Alright, ease off. How we doing, Seth? Good? All gravy, baby?
All gravy, baby.
Beautiful. This is an odd limb. I don't like tight quarters. Tight quarters. Mike, good job. That's all right.
I'm gonna bring a few more out with a couple of these.
Here's my question. Woohoo. All right. All right. I would say 2 again. Ready? perfect, guys. The A-team's back. The A-team's back.